Yeah, hello guys, welcome to my channel, the Jet channel. You can see this is a brand new channel. We're going to make money together. Money will be made. All you just need to do is to click on the subscribe button there. Let's go there. Let's go make money together. You can see this is a brand new channel, and I posted just a video last 2 months. I'm back fully because I was down. Back fully. So this strategy, I call it the sharp strategy. Now the strategy has to do with whenever you see a blue uptrend and there's a sharp bend down, you take your low, you purchase your low. Now you can just see the settings: volatility 25, high and low, duration 5 ticks. This is the default setting. Leave it at the default setting like this. And let's go. There's a sharp bend now. Wow, let's go there. Yeah, I will run this trade. So like I say, what you just need to follow is once there is a blue line, a blue uptrend, and there's a sharp bend downward, you take your low. You understand? So it's actually a strategy that need patience. So you need to be patient to get the signal right. I will not want this video to go far, but let's see if I could still get another signal. Our first trade was 1. Let's see if we can get another signal. We're waiting for another signal. If we did not get another signal, just follow what I've just done. You need to be patient. When there's an uptrend of blue and there's a sharp bend down, you take your trade. So it's a strategy that works a lot, but 99% and it needs patience. Since I will not want the video to go far, because I have not got another signal yet, just follow the strategy. Click on the subscribe button. A lot of videos will be coming in your way. We're making money together.